Hi, would you like to learn how to make $100 a day with YouTube? Or how about $3,000 per month? Not excited yet? How about $500 a day with YouTube or over $10,000 per month with YouTube? I started my journey with YouTube less than a year ago in 2020, and today I'm going to share with you guys my journey. Make sure you guys subscribe down below where you guys can follow my journey and hopefully replicate some of the results for yourself. And with that being said, let's get started. Hey everybody, welcome back to Easy Money. My name is Alex, and today we're going to go over just how much money does 300,000 views pay me. Alright, so it's pretty exciting stuff here, guys. So I got the screenshot for you guys on the next page, but I just want to say that everyone is going to be a little bit different because, well, everybody's videos is different, the length, the niches in, how much ads they decide to put inside it, and probably more. This might not be typical. I think mine my RPM, which is how much you get per 1,000 views, it's a bit higher than normal, I think, and I like to believe that my audience retention is a little bit higher as well. But enough of this here, guys. Let's go on to the screenshot. So as you guys see here, 300,000 paid me just about $1,800 in US dollars, guys. So where I'm from in Canada, I'm just gonna take my calculator right over here. Over $2,000, guys, about $2,200. That's pretty cool from one video, guys, and I make like about anywhere between 4 to 6 of these videos every single week, guys. So you guys can imagine how much I'm making now, which I'll show you guys at the end of the month actually. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you guys can check out the next video next week where I'll drop my income report for the month of November. So this was a video that I didn't write the script, I didn't do the voiceover, I didn't do the edits. I only came up with the idea, guys, and how long did that take me? Maybe about 30 minutes. So guys, for 30 minutes of work, about $2 grand, not too shabby if you ask me here, guys. So pretty awesome, pretty awesome. And if you guys do want to learn how to get started here with what I'm doing, making money on YouTube, making like practically $2,000 per video. I mean, if it gets 300,000 views at least. So make sure you guys click the link down below to get started. It's the course that I used myself to get started, and of course, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.